This is Yousuf. Today we are going to continue explaining the select query with more advanced topic. Order by. This lesson is about order by. How we can order our result once we are filtering them. Because we need to usually we need to order them by any columns. By default it will order by the primary or the unique index, which will be the first column here. It will be the customer number. In employees it will be the employee number, and it's the same. Yeah, it will be office code here. In each table, the first column, it will be the primary key, and we sorting or ordering that table by that column. But if we want to change the order, okay, if we have, for example, select all from payments, let's see what's this. Okay, we have now customer number with payment date and amount. If we want to order, okay, if we only need where we are fetching all records in 2004 only, where payment date 2004, we learned this from before. Now we have all payments happening in 2004, but see, the order is not correct. October, December, August. We need to order by the date. Okay, order by payment date. We run it. Now it is ordered from January to December. Okay, this is from the bottom to the top, from the first to the end. If you want to flip it or put it at the opposite, we just do descending order. Now December at the first and January at the last. Okay, but if we want to order for the amount, the bigger amount, okay, now the largest amount 116,208 is at the top. In some cases, if you have repeating data, you have to select multiple columns to order. For example, here we have multiple customer number, address line, city, state, and country. Country is duplicated value here. Multiple record will have the same country. Multiple record will have the same state. So if we want to order these with multiple columns, we can use this structure. Same, select these the value I want to see from customer table, order by country, descending order, state, descending order. We can run it. So now USA is U is the latest character in the language, then the state. Okay, we can add the city also if we have similar cities in the same state. Okay, descending order also. Okay, the first two records, it will not show the same. Okay, here these are the same city, it will be together. This is another city, and this is the order. You can order by string or number or anything, but by the default, the first column, the primary one, the unique identifier for the row, by default it will be ordered by that one. But if you have to specify, you can specify by this method. Okay, thanks for watching, and let's continue learning and growing our knowledge.